Welcome to Open Minds Staff Edition. We thought it would just be a great opportunity for you to see what we're sharing with alumni and with the outside world. We're the source of ideas and innovation in this country, and there's some things that go into that mission of research and teaching, and in Stanford's case, innovation, that are fundamental. Our ability to attract the most talented people, whether that's to work on our staff, like all of you, to be in our student population, to teach on our faculty. We want them to feel valued and respected and have a sense of dignity in their jobs. That's really actually the foundation of having a successful, diverse workforce. It's the sense of curiosity about other people and respect.
I feel a lot of pride in the amazing accomplishments that come out of Stanford, and I hope you do too. You really are, as staff, the glue that keeps this university together.
The technology and the expertise that Stanford brings to the world, to hear it firsthand was unbelievable.
I just loved hearing from faculty. I also enjoyed how there was an open Q&A for staff to ask President Levin questions. I really appreciate how leadership seems to value their staff and staff culture as well.
What really makes it special here is the people. My mind has opened up to what they've been working on, and also what they're going to be accomplishing in the near future, and I think it gives people a lot of good perspective on what to expect in the big picture.
I thought the Open Minds event was an excellent opportunity to hear more about what's going on at Stanford and directly hear from the president. Today's event helped open my mind to what Stanford is and solidified the truth that is, we are Stanford, we do things a little different.